Good morning, subscribers. Today I'm going to talk about how you should trim your trees during the winter and the exact steps that you want to go about doing it. Honestly, the winter is the only time you should trim trees. This is because they don't have their foliage and it doesn't hurt them very much when you trim them in the winter. If you trim them any other time of year, it's going to take away a lot of energy from the tree and may actually kill it. So always do it in the winter. The key to trimming apple trees is you want to cut off any of these kind of branches that are going down. You also want to cut off any branch that is crisscrossing each other. Like this one probably should go because it's crisscrossing. In addition, you're going to want to cut off any branches like this one that go straight up. You're going to just use garden shears on here. Any bigger branch like the branch that was over here that was going down, you're going to want to cut that with an actual saw. But honestly, for this tree, mostly garden shears will work to get rid of any of the branches that are crisscrossing. You can see I still have a lot of work to do. There's quite a few branches that are still crisscrossing. The key here is that you want to make sure that you only cut no more than 30%. You do not want to cut more than 30%, as that will hurt the tree. So keep that in mind. Again, you're going to want to do this in winter and find a really warm day. Like for example, today here in Colorado, it is going to be in the 70s. So it's a perfect day to trim the tree. In addition, you want to cut off any branches that look like they're dead, because that'll actually sap the energy from the tree. So make sure you do that. Even if they're high up, get an appropriate tool to cut them down. Yeah, so it's pretty much, I mean, it's pretty easy. You can actually take off more than you think, but just keep in mind that you don't want to take off any more than 30%.